Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. Today what we've got is kind of like a version of the Apple Airpods, but much more affordable. And if they can accomplish the same quality with that much lower price, then it might just be a cool product. So let's open it up and get started. Alright guys, to open this thing up, I'm going to be using the mini meat cleaver knife. I'm sure you remember it. If you want to check out that video, you can. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, the box comes very well packaged, nicely protected. It feels like a decent quality product, and we will find out if it is. Oh, it is. It is very nicely packaged. Oh my goodness. It comes in a really nice box. Very well packaged. It's got the soft material encasing it. Oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and see if we can... Oh wow. This does not feel like the unboxing experience of a cheap product. This is nice. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look, guys, that is such a satisfying close. There's clearly a little magnet in there. Wow, that feels so nice. So what you get in the package is you get your wireless earbuds. Underneath that foam, what you get is a charger for the case. Now this is just so nice because it's so simple. It's so simple. And I will point out that the charging cable is a USB Type-C to regular USB, which, you know, pretty standard nowadays, almost as standard as the micro USB. So now let's take a closer look at this charging case for these wireless earbuds. It is a very nice matte white look, very, very sleek. The seams on it almost non-existent, and the brand name embossed on the side looks super nice. And then on the bottom you have your basic information and just a single charging port. Very sleek. Nobody's going to see you with this and think you have something, you know, ridiculously cheap and not worth anything. But the real test is going to be the sound quality and user experience, how easy these are to connect. So I'm going to take these out. Now you can see that these wireless earbuds are very similar to AirPods. They have a very similar look. Very similar style, and if they can produce a similar sound, then I'm completely blown away. And I almost never would recommend people buying AirPods anyway, but that's just my own personal opinion. I'm typically a fan of the in-ear kind of earbuds, like the Galaxy Buds, but we just took off the little blue tape on the bottom of there to go ahead and show the little magnetic charging connectors on there. Let's see if they have a charge and connect it and see what kind of sound quality we got. I know you guys won't be able to tell from where you are, but I can say that I have a pretty good idea on sound quality and stuff. I know people like to have volume and body in their music. I'm not perfect, but I will give you guys as detailed, specific, and unbiased of an opinion on the way that these sound. Alright, you can see that they kind of hook in the ear, very, very similar to AirPods. Alright, I'm guessing there is a chance that these are completely dead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plop them in here see if it gives me some sort of indication of charging. Which it does. Okay, so when you plop them in there and it's charging up the earbuds, what it'll do is it'll give you these white indicator lights at the top to let you know that it's charging. I'm sure those will turn off when it's done charging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge it up a bit. Obviously not go to full charge, but we'll charge it up a bit in order to be able to test them. Then we'll come back, test the sound, let you know if they're even worth getting, and I'll pop a link in the description if you guys want to get it. I'll come right back when they're charged up. Okay guys, so it's been about 20 minutes. They've been in there charging. I do like that they do give you the LED indication on when they're charging and stuff. So now let's go ahead and let's test the sound quality. It should be super simple to set these things up. You take them right out. Alright, take them out. You get on your device. You go to your Bluetooth settings, and they're right there. They're under the name brand of the device. You tap on it, and you get a little notification sound in your ears to let you know that it's connected. I'm really excited to see the sound quality. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music here. I'm gonna play a song with some bass in it, so I can get a better idea of how the bass sounds. But I can tell you from the initial testing, that sounded pretty darn good. I'm not gonna lie, that sounded pretty darn good. I have listened to Airpods before, and I gotta say, I don't notice much of a difference. I don't notice much of a difference. So let me go ahead and play something with some deeper bass, and if it can deliver on that, guys, I'm blown away by this. It's really not that expensive, so I'm going to go for it. Let's go for some bass. Guys, let me give you some pointers, give you some details on the sound quality of these. Crystal clear. I know you guys know what like super cheap budget sound from earbuds sounds like. I've tested plenty of products that are super cheap like that. They just don't deliver. You know, the sound quality is more like you're in a tin box kind of thing. That is most definitely not the case with these. Now, don't expect the same level of bass you get for the ones that actually go inside your ears, like the Galaxy Buds. Don't expect that kind of bass because you don't get a seal like that. But what you can expect is music that does have volume to it. I'm not talking about loudness. I'm talking about volume. You get the full range of sounds in your music. It actually comes out crystal clear. I'm completely blown away because these things, I believe, are like less than 50 bucks. And when you compare that to AirPods, you're looking at a third of the price. And this is a wireless charging case for it. It's a 35 milliamp hour battery per earbud, which gives you about, you know, it takes about 2 hours to charge, 5 hours of talk time, which I'm sure that converts to 5 hours of music time, distance of 10 meters. And just so you guys know, it does have touch controls on it. There's little sensors on the side that are touch controls. You can use it to skip music, to pause, all that good stuff. And you get it in such a nice, sleek package that, it has a good weight to it, but it's not overweight. Something you can throw in your little carry bag that you bring with you anywhere. Very nice little product. I hope you guys enjoyed the review of this product. I had a lot of fun reviewing it. If you want to get your own, of course, I'll put the link in the description. That'll take you right to it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you click the subscribe button. I've got a 10,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. The 5,000 one is still up. We haven't hit the threshold yet, so join in while you can. If you want to check out the last video, it's going to be up there. And if you want to check out the random reviews playlist, it's going to be over there. Or the other way around. I don't know. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, don't get shot.